Hindi naman nagpatinag ang otoridad sa ilang grupo na nais manggulo sa halalang pambarangay sa Maguindanao. Ayon sa ulat ng AFP, tahan nila ang mga ballot boxes na haharangin sana ng ilang armadong grupo sa barangay Kabuyan. Nailigtas din ng otoridad ang ilang tauhan ng COMELEC matapos ang engkwentro. Samantala, iniimbestigahan na ng otoridad ang panununog umano sa Central Dinganan Elementary School sa nasabing lugar. Tiniyak pa ng AFP at PNP ang pagpapanatili ng maayos na halalan, lalong-lalo na sa Maguindanao kung saan naganap ang malagim na Maguindanao Massacre noong 2009.
Our partnership with the Philippine National Police under the Commission elections, we can make an assessment that that the election was successful. Because there are only a few areas within the 6th Infantry Division AOR wherein there was a disruption by some armed men to prevent first the voting to happen. At the same time, as we conclude the election, also to disrupt the movement of the ballot boxes to polling stations. And with this at hand, the AFP and PNP troops remain vigilant to ensure that as the polling precincts close and the transportation of ballot boxes are now being done, our troops remain alert and vigilant so that we may conclude the election.